As Alice learned from the Cheshire Cat, if you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there.
As a lifelong citizen of Chewelah, I am thoroughly excited about new ways to enhance our quality of life. Good health care, excellent education, recreation and the arts, economic development, and a beautiful area in which to raise our families. Let's make a difference in our part of Northeast Washington. Together, this community can create Chewelah's shared vision of the future.
Up in Chewelah, I had the opportunity at age 17, between my junior and senior year, to take a trip around the perimeter of the United States and seeing many highlights along the way: Niagara Falls, Washington, D.C., the Smithsonian Institute. And after arriving home after 28 days, I realized what a great place Chewelah is to live, and was like Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz. There is no place like home.